Welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is the 53rd lecture of Web Design and Production for Business topic Maintaining a Website. Maintaining a website means ensuring that the site remains usable and accessible at all times and that it keeps fulfilling its function in the best possible way. Website maintenance is an activity designed to keep a website running smoothly. It may be done on a regular basis or scheduled as needed. One reason to perform maintenance is to update the website. It is important to keep information up to date and to make sure that the systems used to run the site are also current. The main goal for maintaining your website is to keep your visitors coming back and attracting new customers. If your site is not updated regularly, will not bother to return. They need the largest and new information or resources to return back and find you. Hence, it is essential that you have fresh new content added regularly to your website. The most important benefits of website maintenance are the following. First one, ensure your website is up to date. Second one, keeps your customers updated with the latest information about your company. Makes search engine spiders happy and increase your chances for higher search engine rankings. Next one, enhances your marketing and promotional actions. Next one, provides information about who is linking to your site, improves your company's brand image and aids in expansion. It helps to monitor possible operational problems and avoid potential trouble with clients. These are the main benefits of website maintenance. അപ്പോൾ മെയിൻ്റനൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് എപ്പോഴും അക്സസിബിൾ ആയിരിക്കണം, എല്ലാ ടൈമിലും അത് പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട് ഫങ്ഷൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. വെബ്സൈറ്റ് മെയിൻ്റനൻസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ആക്ടിവിറ്റിയാണ്, ചെയ്യുന്ന ആണ് മെയിൻ്റനൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഒരു റീസൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, വെബ്സൈറ്റ് മെയിൻ്റനൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു റീസൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് എപ്പോഴും അപ് ടു ഡേറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കണം. വെബ്സൈറ്റ് മെയിൻ്റനൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു മെയിൻ ഗോൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ കയറുന്ന വിസിറ്റേഴ്സ് വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ തന്നെ കയറാനുള്ള ഒരു ആഗ്രഹം കാണുകയും വേണം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പുതിയ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിനെ നമ്മുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലോട്ട് അട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയും വേണം. അതാണ് വെബ്സൈറ്റ് മെയിൻ്റനൻസിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ഗോൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ അല്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വിസിറ്റേഴ്സ് നമ്മളുടെ ആ വെബ്സൈറ്റിൽ സ്റ്റേ ബാക്ക് ചെയ്യാതെ അവർ അതിൽ നിന്ന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? എക്സിറ്റ് ആയി പോകുന്നു. എപ്പോഴും ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പുതിയ ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻസ് നമ്മുടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. ഇപ്പം നമ്മുടെ കമ്പനിയുടെ ഒരു വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പോലും ആ കമ്പനിയെ പറ്റിയിട്ടുള്ള ഏറ്റവും പുതിയതായിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻസ് ആയിരിക്കണം, അതായത് ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻ ആയിരിക്കണം അതിൽ ലാസ്റ്റ് ആഡ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് വാട്ട് ആർ ദ മെയിൻ്റനൻസ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജി. Regular website maintenance is critical to the functioning of a site. The following maintenance strategy may be adopted by an organization. First one, update your website. Second one, feedback analysis. Third one, security check. Fourth one, regular backup. And the last one is check your links. Maintenance strategy. First one, update your website. Then feedback analysis. Then security check. Then regular backup, and the last one is check your links. First one is update your site. Simply having a website is not enough. If you expect consumers to find your website and consistently return to your website, you must provide with new and useful content to keep them engaged. It is imperative that you keep your website content fresh and always growing. Posting accurate, timely information online is imperative to expanding your outreach on the internet. Provide users with ongoing opportunities for user interaction. Help them provide feedback and suggestions for your website. The feedback given to you by your visitors will help to keep your content fresh and provide you with ideas for growing your site. Use their feedback whenever possible to grow your site into something that provides for the interest of everyone who visits. Website content can include written text, images, free downloads, anything that is going to draw new visitors in and keep your existing visitors coming back in form of product updates or information updates. Products updates are really important if your site has an e-commerce element. Introduction of new products, discontinuation of existing products, price change, etc. should be updated at the appropriate time. Similarly, information about the company which may be of interest to the customers may be updated regularly. That's about update your website. Then second one is feedback analysis. Feedback visitors who visit your website. Take particular note of the feedback that they offer. Use this information to analyze your audience and take the pulse of your visitors. Try to determine what they are thinking by the feedback they provide to you. Then third one is traffic analysis. Website traffic analysis will help you plan more strategically by observing the number of users who are interacting with your site. A growth in the number of visitors entering your website shows your success in reaching people. On the other hand, a drop in website traffic shows that a rethinking of your course of action is warranted. Website traffic analysis also provides data needed for search engine optimization and the SEO process. Then fourth one is security check. Maintenance is also performed when there is a security threat. It may be done to close a security hole, to address problems caused by a hacker, or for a variety of other reasons related to security. Your site may be infected by virus or hacked, but you may not be aware of that. Setting up a regular monitoring service will ensure that if you do get infected or have site errors, you can fix them fast. Then fifth one is regular backup. Backing up your site is something that should be done regularly, especially for those who update their site often. In the digital world, anything can happen at any time. If the server crashes or the site gets hacked, you can have all the up-to-date data. Last one is check your links. If you have external links in your site, make sure that they work perfectly. If you have a dead link going now here, it can be irritating. So these are the maintenance strategy. First one, update your website. Second one, feedback analysis. Third one, security check. Fourth one, regular backup. And the last one is check your links. Today's assignment question is, what are the benefits of a website maintenance? Second question, explain the maintenance strategy of a website. First question is, what are the benefits of website maintenance? Second question, explain the maintenance strategy of a website.